A true son is obedient, a true father is loving, and a true friend is honest. There are two ways to deal with thorns and wicked people. One is to crush them, and the other is to stay away from them. A guru who shows his disciple the path of righteousness leaves a huge debt. It cannot be paid back as none of the physical objects is so precious. No one can defeat a powerful mind. A man who has mercy and compassion for all creatures is religious for sure. He does not require any religious symbol or sign to prove his religiousness. Whoever helps you at the time of illness, misfortune, famines, and invasion is your true brother in the real sense.